Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to open control panel in Windows 10 computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So there are three ways by which you can open control panel in Windows 10. So the first one, by typing control panel in the start menu. And you will see control panel F. And the second one, by creating a shortcut in the desktop. So to create a shortcut, go to setting and click on personalization. Click on Teams, go to desktop icon setting, and here you will see an options to tick control panel. So tick on it and click OK. Now you will have control panel shortcut in the desktop. And the third way is by Windows System folder from the start menu. Scroll down until you get Windows System folder. And under this folder you will see control panel. So click on the arrow and you will see control panel. So these are the three methods by which you can access control panel in Windows 10 computer.